Good morning everybody. In previous class we learned the mean median mode. Today class exercise 7.2. Given below are the ages of 45 people in a colony. Here ages are 33, 8, here so on given. So construct groupoid frequency distribution for the given data with 6 class intervals. Here we construct a grouped frequency distribution table. So this table here 6 classes intervals. Here we formed 6 classes. So now here first here we find the range. Range means here maximum value minus minimum value. Here maximum value is here 63 is the greater value. Maximum value is 63 and lower value is minimum value is 5. So maximum minus minimum is equal to range. First we find the range and we divided the classes. Given data with 6 class intervals. So here number of classes equal to 6. So next we find the range. Range equal to here maximum value minus minimum value is equal to here maximum value is 63. Minimum value is 5. So here 63 minus 5. 63 minus 5 is equal to 58 is the range. Range is 58. So now here class interval. We find the class interval. Class interval means here CI. Class interval is equal to range by number of classes. Number of classes. Here range is the 58. 58 by number of classes. Number of classes is 6. 58 by 6. We divide 58 divided with 6. 9.67. It is approximate value. So now here class interval is 9.67. We take the here class interval is 9.67. So we take the class interval is 9. Here we take the class interval 9. So first here minimum value is 5. So our class started with 5. So first 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 14. 5 is the lower limit and 14 is the upper limit. So first 5 we take the minimum value. Minimum value is 5. So add the class interval. So 5 plus 9 equal to 14. 14 is the class upper limit. So this class upper limit 5 to 14. Next 14 after number. So 15. Next class second class is 15. Started with lower limit 15. 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9 class interval 9. So 15 plus 9 equal to 24. Next third class 24 after number is 25. 25 here 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 34. Here next after number 35. 35 plus class interval 9. 35 plus 9 44. Next here 44 upper limit. Next here after number is 45. 45 here 45 plus 9 is 54. 54 is the upper limit. Next here total 6 classes. Number of classes equal to 6. So here we write the 6 classes. Now here next after number 6 55. 55 plus 9 64. Here this one is the lower limit and upper limit. Here 55 64 is this class interval. Now here we divided into 6 classes. Here number of classes equal to 6. So that's why here we divided into 6 classes. Now we write the tally marks. Next column is tally marks. We write the tally marks. Tally marks means here first here we observe the given data. Here given data means here first we observe here first here our class interval. Here our class interval is 5 to 14. 5 to 14. So 5 to 14 numbers is here 5 one number. So that's why we write here 1 standing line. 1 tally mark. So next here 1 to 14. 8 is there. 7. Next here 1 5. 15. 62. 14 is there. So 14 we write 14. 9, 12, 11, here 5 to 14 in between numbers. Here 10 is also one number. So now here these numbers count it. Here 5 to 14 between numbers are here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is there. So that's why I write here 9 tally marks. Here 9 tally marks means here first we write the 4 marks and we write the 1 cross line. Total this bunch equal to 5 marks. Now here next we write the 4. 5 plus 4 9. Total here 9 numbers are there. So that's why here we write the 9 tally marks. Here one bunch is equal to 5 marks. So these are the tally marks. Now here we write the here frequency. Total numbers is 9. So that's why here we write the 9. Now next here 15 to 24. 15 to 24 you count it. Here 15. Here 15. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, here 22 is there. So total 19, 9 numbers. Total 9 numbers are there. So 15 to 24, total 9 numbers are there. So that's why we write the tally marks in 9. Here we write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 cross line. Total this bunch is equal to 5. Again we write the 4 lines. Here 5 plus 4, 9. Here frequency is 9. Same here next class interval is 25 to 34. We count it here 25 to 34. Here 25 to 34. 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here 7, 8, here 28 is there. So total 9 tally marks are there, 9 numbers are there. So we write the 9 tally marks. So 9 tally marks means here we write here 1 bunch, here 5 plus 4. 4 means here total 9. We write the 9. Here frequency is the 9. Next class interval is 35 to 44. 35 to 44. We count it here 58, 56, 62, 59. Here 35, 1. This is the 1. Next 35 to 44. 44 means this one is second number. Next third one, fourth, fifth, sixth. Here total 6 numbers. 6 numbers means here we write the tally mark 6. Here 6 means here first 1 bunch. Here 5. 5 plus 1, 6. We write here 6. Now next 5th class interval is 45 to 54. In between numbers is here we count it here. First here this one is the 50. So 1. Next 2, 46, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 48, 7. Total 7 numbers. So 7 numbers are there. We write here tally marks 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Plus we write 2, 7. Frequency is the 7. Now next class interval is 55 to 64. 55 to 64. Now here we count it. Here remaining numbers are this class. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 numbers. So 5 is the here tally marks. We write here 5. 5 means here we write 5. So here total n is equal to, we write here n is equal to add these all numbers. Here 45. Frequency n is equal to 45. So this is we write the tally marks and frequency. This is the complete first one answer. This is the complete first question answer. Next, second question. Number of students in 30 classrooms in a school are given below. Construct a frequency distribution table for the data with an exclusive classes interval of 4. Here some data is given. Number of students in 30 classrooms. Here each class total strength is given. So students in 30 classrooms, total 30 classrooms, student strength is given. So now here we classified into distribution table for the data with an exclusive class interval 4. We use the interval 4. We write the distribution table. Here first class interval is 4. So now here we write the class interval. Here class interval Ci is equal to 4. Now here next we find the range. Here range equal to maximum value minus minimum value. So now here maximum value is, you observe this data, which one is the greater value? Maximum value is 40. So we write here 40. And next minimum value, here we observe this data here, minimum value is 15. 40 minus 15 is equal to 25. Here range equal to, we write 25. Now here number of classes, here we find the number of classes. Here number of classes is equal to range by class interval. Here range is equal to, already we find that range 25 by class interval. Class interval is equal to here 4, already given in question. So by 4, 25 by 4 equal to 6.25. 6.25 is the number of classes. So now here 6 number of classes is 6.25. So we take 7 classes. Here class interval is equal to 4. Class interval 4 is equal to here minimum value. Now here first we started the minimum value is 15. So first class is started with 15. So first minimum value is 15. 15 means here we write 15 is the lower limit of this first class. First class lower limit is minimum value of this data is 15. So class interval is 4. So 15 plus 4 equal to here we write the 19. 19 is the upper limit of class. Here 15 to 19 is a class interval. This is the first class. Now next we write the second class. Second class is here first we take 19. 19 here 19 plus 4 is the 19 plus 4. 19 plus 4 is the 23. This is the second class. Next third class. Here third class we write the 23 plus 4 27. 23 to 27 is the third class. Next fourth class. Fourth class is 27 to 31. 27 plus 4 31. So this is the fourth class. Next fifth, 6th, 7th. Total we take 7 classes. Here 5th class is equal to here 31 plus 4 35. Next 35 plus 39. 35 plus 4 39. 39 to 43 is the last 7th class. 7th class is the 39 to 43. So these are the 7 classes of class interval 4. Class interval 4. 7 classes. We divided the 7 classes. Now here we write the tally marks. Here tally marks means here we write here first you are observing the given data. Here observe first class interval is 15 to 19. So 15 to 19 between numbers write the tally marks. So here first we count the 15 to 19 numbers in between numbers. 15 to 19 between numbers. So now here between numbers what is the here first we observe everyone. Here 15 to 19. Here 1 18. Next 15 16 15 18. Now here total 5 numbers are there. In between 15 and 20 in between 5 numbers are there. 18 15 16 15 18. So we write here total tally marks is here we write 5 tally marks. Here first 5 write 5 standing line and cross 1 line. Total this bunch equal to 5. Now here frequency. Frequency is equal to we write the number. These tally marks total is 5. So that's why here we write the number total number 5. So now next class interval is 19 to 23. 19 to 23 is the next second class interval. So now here we calculate the next numbers. Here next numbers is here 19 to 23. 19 to 23 is the first number. Second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number, seventh number. Here total 7 numbers are there. So now here we write the tally marks. Here 7 1 2 3 4 4 we cross line 1 5 6 7 total 7 numbers. So now here total 7 numbers we write the frequency is a 7. Same method write another classes. Now here third class 23 to 27. 23 to 27 we calculate here 23 to 27. Here 25 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here total 6 numbers are there in the given data. Yes, total 6 numbers means we write the tally marks here 6. 1 2 3 4 5. Here one bunch, next one. Here total 6. Now here we write the frequency is 6. Now next we calculate the fourth class 27 to 31. 27 to 31 means here we calculate 27 to 31. Here 31 1 2 3 4 5. Here total 5 numbers are there. So now here we write the frequency tally marks. Here we write here 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now here we write here frequency is also we write 5. Now next here 30. Next here 5th class is 31 to 35. So now here we calculate the numbers 31 to 35. 31 to 35 means 1 2 2 3 4 5 5. Now here 5 numbers are there. So we write the tally marks in 5. 1 2 3 4 5. One bunch. So now here we write the frequency is also 5. Now next here 6th class is 35 to 39 are the class intervals. Now here we count the numbers. Here 35 to 39. 35 to 39 here only one number is there, that is the 38. Only one number is there, that is the 38. Now here we write the one tally mark and here we write the frequency also we write 1. Now next class interval is 39 to 41. 39 to 41 is the here only last final number is 40 is there. So this is the next tally marks. Here we write the 1. Here frequency is also 1. Now here total these all frequencies, add these all numbers. These numbers is sum is equal to n is equal to 30. Total these all numbers frequency is 30. 30 is the final answer. Now this is the complete 7th one answer. This is the complete second one answer. Next third question. Class intervals in a groupoid of frequency distribution are given as 4, 11, 12, 19, 20, 27, 28, 35, 36, 43. Write the next two class intervals. Here some class intervals are given. Continuation we write the next two class intervals. What is the length of each interval? Class interval. We find the length of the class interval. Write the class boundaries of all classes. Class boundaries. So we write the class boundaries. What are the class marks of each class? So we write the marks of each class. Here class intervals in a groupoid frequency distribution as given. Here some class intervals are there. Next write the next two class intervals. Next continuation two class intervals we write that one. Here what is the length of each class interval? Here each class interval length is class interval length 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is the 7. 7 is the class interval length. Write the class boundaries of the classes. We write the upper boundary and lower boundary. What are the class marks of each classes? We write the marks of each classes. Here what are the class marks of each class? Here marks are not given, so don't write that one. So first answer we write the answer. Now first we write the given class intervals. The given class intervals are here 4 to 11, 11, 12 to 19, 12, 19, 20, 27, next 28, 35, 36, 43. Next write the next two class intervals. So we write next two class intervals. Next two class intervals are here continuation. Here 11 minus 4, 7, 19 minus 12, 7, 27 minus 12, 7. So here 19 after next class started with 20. So next year 27 after year 28, 35. 35 minus 28, 7. 43 minus 36 also 7. So here class interval is 7. So we write the next two classes. Here 43 after number we take next after number 11, 11 after 12. So here 43 after 44, 44 plus 7, 44 plus 7, 51. This is the one class. Next 51 after number 52, 52, 52 plus 7, 59. This is the next two classes. Here asking next two class intervals. These two are the next two intervals. Next what is the length of each class interval? Each class interval means first here we write the class interval. Here class interval. Class interval is equal to here 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 7 is the class interval. Next what is the length of each class interval? Class interval is here all classes length is class interval is 7. Next write the class boundaries of the classes. Write the class boundaries. We write the boundaries. Now we write the boundaries. Boundaries of classes. Classes. First one column is the class interval. Next boundary of class. Boundaries of classes. So we draw the table. Now here already given classes. Here 5 classes are given. So first we write these classes. First one is the 4 to 11. Next one is the 12 to 19, 20 to 27, 28 to 35, 36 to 43. Next we write the two classes. These two classes here 44, 51. Next 52, 59. So these are the 7 classes. Now we write the boundaries of a classes. So first here 411 class interval. 411 class interval means here we first 4, here lower limit is we write 33.5. Next here upper limit is here 11.5. Here before 5, after 5. So here 11.5, 12 is there, so we write 11.5. Next here 19 means we write 19.5. here 20 is there, 19.5. now next here 27.5. next here 18, 28, 27.5. here 35.5, 35.5, 43.5. next here 43.5, 51.5. next 51.5, 59.5. These are the boundaries of these class intervals. So now here answer is completed. This is the complete third one answer. Next, fourth question. In the following groupoid frequency distribution table, class marks are given. Here class marks and frequency is given. So first question, construct class intervals of the data. Second question, here construct less than cumulative frequency. And third one, construct greater than cumulative frequency. Here first construct class intervals of the data. We write the class intervals. After we write the construction of less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. First here asking construct the class intervals of the data. First we write the class intervals. Here given class marks and frequency. Class marks 10, frequency 622, 14. Here class marks and frequency. So first we write the class intervals of the data. So now here first determine the lower boundary of the class. To determine the lower boundary of the class. Lower boundary of the class equal first the difference between the 2 marks. Here class marks difference 12 minus 22 minus 10 is 12. 34 minus 22 12. 46 minus 34 12. Here difference is 12. So the difference marks of consequent two classes is 12. The difference between two consequent two classes. Your class is equal to, that is the equal to h. h is equal to 22 minus 10 equal to 12. Is the difference is 12. So now here we write the each class boundaries. Now let the marks of each class be x. Let marks of each class be, we say x. Then the boundaries of the classes. Boundaries of the classes be here x minus h by 2 and x plus h by 2. These two are the lower boundary and upper boundary of these two are the classes. This one is the lower boundary, this one is the upper boundary. So now here we find that therefore lower boundary is equal to a lower boundary of the first class. Here first class is equal to x minus h by 2. X minus h by 2 and here x equal to, here marks are 10. So now here we take 10 minus h is equal to 12. Here 12 is there, 12 by 2 is equal to here 10 minus 6 equal to 4. This is the lower boundary of first class. Now here we write the upper boundary of first class. Upper boundary of first class is equal to x plus h by 2. X plus h by 2 is equal to x equal to here we write the 10 plus 12 by 2. 12 ones are 12 6. 10 plus 6. 16 is the upper boundary. Here lower boundary is 4 and the upper boundary is 16. So we can determine the remaining classes in the same way. So now here we can determine the remaining classes in the same way. So now here we write the another classes. So here first class lower boundary is 4 and upper boundary is 16. So that's why here first class is the, we write here first class. First class here first class is the lower boundary is 4, upper boundary is 16. So we write here next class is the, here we write total 6 classes. Here 6 is there, 6 classes. 6. Now here first one is the 4 and 16. 16 here difference is 12. So next class is 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 28. 28 plus 12. 28 plus 12 40. 40 plus 12 52. Next 52 plus 12 64. 64 plus 12 76. These are the class intervals. Now here frequency already given in the question. Here frequency is given. So we write these numbers 6, 14, 20, 21, 9, 5. These are the frequency. So now here we write here 6, 14, 20, 21, 9, 5. So now frequency completed. Next mid values of the class interval. Mid values of the class interval means we write here mid values of the class interval is upper boundary 4, lower boundary 4, upper boundary 16. So average here, suppose here 4 plus 16 by 2, 4 plus 16 20, 20 by 2, 20 by 2 means here that equal to 10. Here 10 is the mid value of the class interval. Same way we write all numbers. Here 16 plus 28, sum is equal to 44. 44 by 2. 44 by 2 is equal to 22. 22 is the mid value of this class interval. This class, mid value of this class interval. So same way we write remaining numbers here 34, 46, 58, 70. These are the mid values of class intervals. Now here less than class cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency means here frequency is there. First we write 6 here first. 6 plus here add 14. 6 plus 14 equal to here we write 20. 20 plus 20 40. 40 plus 21. 40 plus 21 61. 61 plus 9 70. 70 plus 5 75. This is the less than cumulative frequency. So next we write the greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency means we started with downside. Here first 5 is there, we write 5. Same method but started with downside. Here 5 we write first 5. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is the 14. So we write 14. 14 plus 21 35. 14 plus 21 35. 35. So 35 is the third one. Third one 35. 35 plus 20. 35 plus 20 is the 55. 55. Next 55 plus 14. 14 means here we write 69. 69 plus 6 75. Yes, 75. This is the greater than cumulative frequency. Now greater than cumulative frequency started with downside. Downside we add one by one. We write these numbers. So this is the answer. Now we are completed less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. Second one is the less than cumulative frequency. Here asking. Third one is the construct the greater than cumulative frequency. So these two are completed. This is the second one answer. This is the third one answer. So now here fourth answer is completed. This is the complete answer of fourth question. Next fifth question. The marks obtained by 35 students in test in statistics out of 50 marks are as below. So here marks are given out of 50. Here 35 students marks here given. So construct a frequency distribution table with equal class intervals. One of them being 10 to 20. 20 is not included. Here 20 is not included. 10 to 20 is a class interval. So now here equal classes we divided here equal classes. 20 not included means this 20 is included to next class. Suppose here this class interval is 10 to 20. Next class is 20 to 30. So 20 is included in second class. So now here we write the frequency distribution table with equal classes. Here first class interval is equal to here we write here for 20 10 to 20. So 20 minus 10 is equal to here 10. 10 is the class interval. Now your range is equal to here greater number is the here we observe these marks here 48 is the greater number and 1 is the small number. Here obtained marks are here small number is 1, greater number is 48. So range is equal to we write the 48 minus 1 maximum value minus minimum value. So now here 47 is the range. Range is equal to 48 minus 1 equal to 47. Maximum value minus minimum value is equal to 47. That is the range. Now here number of classes equal to range by class interval. So here range is equal to 47 by class interval is equal to 10. Range by class interval 10. So here that equal to we write here range is the 47, class interval is the 10. So 47 by 10 is equal to 4.7. This is the equal to 5, approximately value. Now here we write range number of classes is 5. So class interval is equal to here we write here 10 to 20. Here class interval is 10 to 20. Now here we draw the table. Here the frequency distribution table. the frequency distribution table. Here tables is here first column is the class interval. Here class interval. Next column is tally marks. Here tally marks. Next here frequency. Here frequency. Now we write here first class is 0 to, here started with 1 to numbers started. So 0 to 10. Next 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Here 50 out of 50 these marks are given. So now here we write here tally marks 0 to 10, 0 to 10, here 1 and next 5, these two are there. So we write here 2 tally marks, here 2, here 2. Next 10 to 20, so this 10 belongs to this class. So now here 10 to 20 in between numbers are, we count it here, total 10 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 numbers are there. So now here we write here 10. 10. Next 20 to 30. 20 to 30 same method. Here 4 are there. So we write 4. Next 30 to 40. 30 to 40 9. 9 numbers are there. Here one bunch is equal to 5, 4, 9, 9. Next 40 to 50 total 10 numbers are there. So we write here 10. 10. This is the frequency distribution table. This is the complete fifth question answer. So complete fifth question answer. Next sixth question, construct the class boundaries for the following frequency distribution table. Also construct less than cumulative and greater than cumulative frequency table. So here ages are given, number of children 1 to 3 years 10 members, 4 to 6 years 12 members, 7 to 9 years 15 members, 10 to 12 13 members, 13 to 15 9 members children are there. So now here we write the also construct less than cumulative and greater than cumulative frequency table. So we write the less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. Now here construct the class boundaries. First we write the boundaries of the following frequency distribution table. Here we write the first boundaries. First we write as it is. Here total 5 number of ages. Here ages are given. Next number of children is given. So here 5 columns are there. So I am already draw the table. Here first one is the numbers. Next one is the class interval. Class interval is the age. Here class intervals are ages. Ages is the first 1 to 3 years, 4 to 6 years. Here 7 to 9 years. Next fourth one 10 to 12 years, 13 to 15 years. So this is the class interval. Now next frequency. Frequency is the next column. Here frequency means number of children. Number of children is the frequency. So we write the frequency. Here frequency is number of children is 10, 12, 15, 13, 9. So 10, 12, 15, 13, 9. This is the frequency. Now third column, here asking boundaries. So now here we write the boundaries of the classes. Boundaries of a classes. So boundaries of a classes is here first lower boundary. Here 1 3. Here 1 3 means here before 0.5. So here 0.5 is the lower boundary and upper boundary is 3.5 after number 0.5. So now here second class is the here 4 is there. 4 means here we write the 3.5 is the lower boundary and upper boundary here 6 is there, we write 6.5. So as it is write same another 3 also. Here 7 and 9 means here 6.5 into 9.5. 9.5 into 12.5. Here 12.5 to here 15.5. These are the boundaries of these class interval. So now here we write here asking less than the cumulative frequency. Now here less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative. Next here asking greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency. So here less than cumulative frequency means here we write here first number is frequency is 10. So that is the first cumulative frequency. 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12 22. 22 is the cumulative frequency. Next 22 plus 15 means that means add these 3 numbers. 22 plus 15 37. Next 37 plus 13 is the 50. Next 50 plus 9 59. This is the less than cumulative frequency. Now we write greater than cumulative frequency. Now we started with down. First we write the 9. 9 plus 13 22. 22 plus 15 37. 37 plus 12 49. 9. 49 plus 10, 59. This is the greater than cumulative frequency. So now here, this one is the sixth answer completed. Here asking less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. And next, boundaries. Here asking construct the class boundaries of the following frequency. So we write in boundaries and less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. So this is the complete solution of sixth question. Next, seventh question, cumulative frequency table is given below. Which type of cumulative frequency is given? Try to build the frequency of the representative class intervals. Here runs number of cricketers. Here 0 to 10, 3 members. 10 to 28, 20 to 30, 19, 30 to 40, 25, 40 to 50, 30. So now here cumulative frequency table given. So now which type of cumulative frequency? This is the which type of cumulative frequency is given. So next, build the frequencies of the representative class intervals. Cumulative frequency table is given below. So which type of cumulative frequency is given? So observe this one, which type? Here less than cumulative frequency or greater than cumulative frequency. So build the frequency of respective class intervals. So now here first we observe this is the increasing series 3, 9, 19, 25, 30. So this is the increasing means less than cumulative frequency. So in this given table, frequency are increasing form. Increasing form means here top to bottom, here to here increasing, top to bottom. So it is a less than cumulative table. So it is less than cumulative frequency table. Less than cumulative frequency table means we write the, now here first we write the class interval. Here class intervals are runs are class intervals. So we write here 5 is there, 5 numbers, we write 5 numbers. So now here 5 classes. Here first these are the classes. Class intervals is 0 to 10. Here 20, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. These are the class intervals. Now here we less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency, here these are the less than cumulative frequency. We write as it is 3, 8, 19, 25, 30. So now here we write the frequency. Here frequency, first number we write as it is. Next number is we write here 8 minus 3. Here this one minus this one, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to, we write here 5. 5 is the frequency. Now next we write the 19 minus 8. 19 minus 8. 19 minus 8 equal to, here we write here 11. 11 is the frequency. Now next third one 25. 25 minus 19. 25 minus 19 equal to 6. 6 is the fourth one. Next third, last one is the 30 minus 25. 30 minus 25 equal to, here 5. 5 is the frequency. These are the frequency. These are the less than cumulative frequency. These are our class interval. Here this frequency which type? Less than cumulative frequency. So we write the frequency. So complete, this is the seventh one answer. Next, eighth question, the number of readers in library are given below. Write the frequency of respective classes. Also write the class than cumulative frequency table. Here number of books. Here number of books are given greater than cumulative frequency here given. So we write the frequency and less than cumulative frequency. So here number of books is the class interval, greater than cumulative frequency is given. So now here we write the less than cumulative frequency and frequency of the representative classes. Now here given data, here 5 columns are there. So we write the 5 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next here class interval. Here class interval. Class interval already here given. This is the class interval. So we write here 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Now next we write the here greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency. Next we write the frequency. Next we write the less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. So now here first we write the greater than cumulative frequency here given. So these numbers right here. Greater than cumulative frequency 42, 36, 23, 14, 6. This is the greater than cumulative frequency. So now here we write here first frequency here. This is the greater than means here we started with downside. So we write the sequence 6 is as it is. Next one is the 14 minus 6. 14 minus, this one is the 14 minus 6. Next this one is the 23 minus 14. 23 minus 14. Next one is the 36 minus 23. Next 42 minus 36. So we write the frequency. Now here 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Next 23 minus 14 equal to 9. 36 minus 23 equal to 13. Next 6. So this is the frequency. Now we write the less than frequency. Less than frequency means we write here, we know the method. So first one is write as it is 6. 6 plus 13. 6 plus 13 19. Second one is the 19. 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9 28. 28 plus 8 36. 36 plus 6 42. So this is the less than frequency. So here asking frequency representative of the frequency classes. Also write the less than frequency. Representative frequency means this column, less than frequency means this column. So now here now this is the 8th question complete answer. Eighth problem is completed. So this exercise is completed. So complete PDF notes link on description is there. If you are interested, copy it.